So what's up, life is a mission. Your boy is here with a little fun and game. You don't know, you know. Sometimes we just sit down and things just come to we out of the box. You know, we not sit down and we not reverse nothing and we not plan nothing. I tell you every day, so me is not a youth to plan and sit down and reverse. Anything you see, are just things that happen natural. And that's why my video them, me not cut my video them. My video them, all of my video them what you see is just raw and uncut. You understand? The only time I edit out videos is like if somebody just come in on my video and say something when I'm supposed to say, I know say YouTube I go rare, but away from that, anything wanna see me a video and me I do raw and uncut. You understand? Real authentic. Nothing no plan. You know, say I went to my little cream shop. When I see the little cream shop where most time I put up and thing and advertise and say, see the cream shop here? Yeah man. I go there and get some snacks, people, right? Which is my regular shop where I go get some little night snack because I tell you, say, me mum be right through the night until the wife is ready for me, you know. Yeah, man. Drinking and little snacks and some, my mum be right through the night until the wife is ready for me. I don't know who is wifey. So, I buy this little bag. Now me I do this intro, me already do what me I do already, you know. Yes, man. And I sit down up the road and the bag never tie. It never tie. And the things them come up and me and say, I think somebody pass now and see you because you have them people them just ready, I know. Them see you buy your things for your own purpose, but because them see you have it, them feel that they can't beg it out. So me fight me way people, fight me way 2 little piece of end when me go and wrap the bag, you know. Me peel could have dry it through and dry. So when me look, me say the bag really sealed now. And it's a black bag. Nobody can see through it. And it just come to my mind. And I say, you know, so me just get up and do a giveaway with that bag, yeah. And I have 5 different items in the bag, snack items. And I give each person 3 chances to name me 2 of any one of the 5 items and them get the bag. One somebody so far, 2 somebody so far, name me 1 of the items. And it is very hard for them to name these items. You know the reason why? I am not the regular guy. You see everybody want bun and want bull and them something there. And that's what the main thing of people are saying, banana chips, yeah. Main thing, that not in my bag. You understand what I say? Them just a call upon the regular things them. So, me do about 7 somebody already just before me do that intro, yeah? And none of them not get it right. Me go see if me can get even 5 more somebody before I put the video together and post it. So, it's fun and game all over here. That's why I'm telling you, it's a multi-purpose station, multi-purpose channel. You understand? Just come over, life is a mission and you must see something where you want to watch. It's not like a channel where you're sure if you know where I go happen over there and where happen. You don't know where might happen over there. So if you're not subscribed yet, you don't know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support this channel and help this channel to grow. Because this channel, I can tell you this. Me a push this channel. Me not just jump and say 1 year, 2 years. But me I give myself 3 years with this channel to reach which one I want to reach. Alright? And in order for me to do so, you have to help me by like, share, and subscribe. And please to watch the ads. When you like the video, it get an algorithm that it share out in YouTube space. So different people from different areas of YouTube possible to see this video and might just want to watch it, like the channel and just subscribe. So that is your job as a supporter, to make sure you like the videos, comment if you wish to. If you don't want to spell out nothing, if I have not look at emoji, it still count. And remember to watch the ads. Life is a Mission TV. And remember in the comment section we have Tamika Douglas TV and we have Life with Gabby and Chevy. Go ahead and give them a subscription. I am going to see if I can find 5 more somebody to see if I can give away this bag tonight. 5 different snack type into this little bag. And I give them an opportunity, 3 chance to name me 2 of it and them get the whole bag. This little bag of snacks value about what? $1,200 and something dollar. This bag of snacks, $1,200 and something dollar. And as I say, I buy it for my own purpose, but it just come to me. Just as I tie the bag, it come to me. I just get up and start do it. The bartender was the first person I should shy off. While I go back up there, you know give the bag yet? Come on. I say no, you're alright. Me give you a chance, you never take it. So I'm gonna see if I can find even 5 more somebody people. So just go and do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to friend. And hope that I find a winner tonight. 5 more chances. Just five more different person. Yes. If not, I quit and probably another day I make another parcel before probably I even post this video. Tomorrow I might make another parcel again and try out when more people depend on the road. So make us see what work out for tonight. See if we can get 5 more somebody. Hello. I have a giveaway. Where you hide your face? I have a giveaway. In this bag right here. This bag here, people. I have 5 items in it. If she name me 2 out of the 5 items when I have in it, I give her the whole bag. Hello. I have a little giveaway. I have 5 items in this bag. And if you name 2 of the 5 items, you get the whole bag. Come now. You're taking part, ma'am? Alright. Hello. I have a bag of goodies right here. Goodies. You know why you not name goodies, man? I have 5 different items in the bag. If you name me 2 of the items, you get the whole bag. Voila, you will get a chance.
One.
And you don't have 2 chances, you know, because 2 you have to name it. So I give you 3 chances. So you have 3 chances to name 2 items. You have 2 more chances.
Like what kind of goodies? Snacks chance?
Ah yes, snacks type goodies.
Banana bread. Banana.
Alright, you lose, you're gone. You just say banana, I just say right name it 2 times, so you still have what, 1 more chance.
Yeah.
Because I can't tell you if you win one none yet, you know. What is the next one?
Banana chip.
Alright, you lose. You're taking a chance at it, ma'am?
Yes.
I have 5 items in this bag. If you name 2, you get everything in the bag.
Bud.
You have 3 chances, you lose 1 already.
Ula.
Come now, man, and stop your foolishness. I have 5 items in the bag, yeah. Right? Come now, man, and pay us on the mind, man.
Yeah.
I have 5 items in the bag, snacks item. You have 3 chances. If you name it 2 out of it, you get everything in there, you get the whole bag.
So you don't give Papa that chance, eh?
Papi, you me and I can't do papi. Papi underage. She shy out. People, she lose but we not catch her up on camera. She named 3, but she get 1 right and 2 wrong, but she lose. Alright? No. I have 5 items in the bag, you have snacks. You have 3 chances to name 2 of the item and you get everything in the bag. I have 5 different items of snacks in the bag.
Yeah.
You have 3 chances to name 2 of the item and you get everything in the bag.
No, yeah, plant the chips, the green one. Cheese countries.
Alright, you lose. 5 items in the bag. If you name 2 of out of the bag. No, you can't feel the bag. You're not blind.
You have cheese countries in that bag. You answer me, yes, sir?
No, I can't answer you. You have to name. When you name the next one, you lose. I'm going to tell you, say you lose. You still have a chance.
You have cheese countries.
You try to sit to a black bag your body.
Wait no man. No big foot there either, man. People in Jamaica love banana chips.
Alright, you lose. Me have 5 items of snack in the bag here. You have 3 chances to name me 2. If you name me 2 in it, you get the whole bag.
Chocolate chips. Oreo.
Alright, you lose. Me have 5 items in the bag here, snack item. You have 3 chances to name me 2 of the items in the bag and you get the whole bag.
Ready?
Yeah, name me 2 of the items in the bag.
Cheese bread and cinnamon roll.
Alright, you lose. Randy Jerk say I take a chance at it. Where you saying in the bag?
Crackers, cream crackers, long one, and sardines.
No. So alright my people, let's reveal what was in the bag. So nobody feel like I was cheating. They only get one thing right, which is the banana bread. Let's go. Me I make sure I tear the bag in front down. So you can't say me a cheat. See it there? One of my juice I want to see me drink regular. Carl's again. Lord, watch it. Marble cake. And this is just the banana bread. You understand? So see it there, people. And my little sweeties want to see me eat also. My snow mint and my blueberry, my blackberry. See it? Banana bread. This is the only thing them get correct. Marble cake, them all mash up. And 2 Carl's juice. So when the system I never did a cheat. I tell them say I not cheat them way, you know. I'm honest. One thing them get right. I'm glad no banana chips and no bun never in my bag. Because them would have get it right, because through them something they common for snacks, people just feel like say, yes, you have it in your bag. So stay tuned for the video. No, this part is the end of the video, sorry. So only just do, like, share and subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads, continue to support the channel. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Tamika Douglas is also there. Give them a subscription. And the cash app is there, $, Life is a Mission TV. I'm out.